Assalamu alaikum to all parents and students. Today we are going to do a new concept, that is multiplication. What is the sign for multiplication? This is the sign for multiplication, meaning a cross is used as a sign for multiplication. What is multiplication and how am I going to use this sign, this concept in 2 times table? We are going to use the multiplication to learn 2 times table. Alright, let's see. Multiplication is a concept when you take a number, any number, okay, and add it together a number of times. Meaning you will take any number and you will add it together a number of times. You will add it all together again and then you will get the answer. For example, I have given an example over here so we can understand it better, because understanding with objects and pictures is much better and it is very easy. So let us see now. But the concept over here also includes sets. Meaning, let me see, I have 5 balls, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is my one set, okay? I have, now, I want to take a number. I took 2. My number over here is 2. I selected one number, एक नंबर मैंने select कर लिया, तो वो कौन सा नंबर है? 2. ठीक है? Now I have to make 2 set. अगर मैंने 1 select किया होता तो मैं एक set बनाती ना, एक set होता से 1 2 3 5 का, ठीक है? पर I chose 2, so that is why I will make 2 sets. ये मेरा एक set है 5 balls का and this is my second set. ये मेरा second set है 5 balls का. 1 set, 2 sets. कितने set हो गए? Total 2 sets, okay? And how many balls do I have in one set? एक set में कितनी balls है मेरे पास? Count करते हैं. ये दूसरा set है ना? पहले एक set को count करते हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sets in one. 5 balls in one set. एक set में 5 balls थी. दूसरे set में भी 5 balls है. ठीक है? Now 2 set multiplication का साइन, और एक सेट में कितनी बॉल्स थी मेरी? 5 थी. 5 थी ना एक सेट में. कितने सेट है मेरे पास? I have 2 sets and I have 5 balls in each set. Alright, now I will add it together a number of times. How many number of times will I add them? You can say 2 times I will add them, right? Let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, what is my answer? 10. So you see, this is how we will solve the multiplication sums. I hope this example was, easy for you. But if you want, parents, you can give different examples, more different examples. This is just a start for multiplication. First of all, when we start our work, let's look at the work now. Let's see how will we do our 2 times table. All right, let me just yes, now this is correct. Today is Tuesday. Tues, day, day, Tuesday. You see, we have a diagram over here. U. I'd like to have a barbecue. U. This is that diagram. U. Okay. Diagram TUES, Tues, DAY, day, Tuesday. What do you call Tuesday in Urdu? Mangal. Okay, so what is the date today? And parents, please, you have to write the correct date. Today is 8th of, we started a new month. That is, yes, that is December. December is the 12th month. Year is 2020. This is okay, your date. And let's start our work. And what do we have? We have 2 times table. Now think think of it as the same that you did with the example. Okay, let me write from here. Okay, 2 multiplied by 1 and then we have 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to, and 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to. And then we have reinforcement again. Let me just write it as well. 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to. Alright, so how many times we will add it together? We will add it together 2 times again. And this is just the quantity. This side shows you the quantity, the number of items. And this side shows you how many times we have to add it, the number of sets. Okay? 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to. There. Alright, now you see you will only write your answer in one block. Okay, except for 10. When you have an answer that is 10, you will write it in separate blocks. Okay, 1, 0 you have to write it in separate blocks. Let me now zoom in for you a little bit. Okay, let's see. We will leave these 2 blocks for the answer. Okay, leaving these 2 blocks for the answer, we can start from here, or we can start from here. Okay, leave the first 3 blocks. You will leave the first 3 blocks. Okay, let's see now. But if we can also do the 2 times table with a different way. I will show you how you can do it with the different way. You see, it's very simple. We left these 3 blocks. It's very simple. We can just simply draw dots. Let's do it in that way. If you do not want to do it in the sets way, we can use the sets in our sums. Okay, let's use the sets in our sums. This is just for explanation. Okay, 1, 2, 3, leave. Start from here. How many sets did I have? I had a set. Okay, let's just draw. Okay, let's just do it over here. Let's just do it in the opposite way. We can change it. Okay, we can do the number of items and number of sets. Okay, now I have 2 sets with 1 item. Okay, we can do it in this way if you want to. 1, 2, 3, leave. I have 2 sets with 1 item. 1 set, 2 set. Done? Done. I hope you can see it clearly. Alright, now let's see how many items do I have altogether now. Let's count. 1, 2. What is the answer? 2. Alright, now tell me. How many sets? 2. How many items? 2. 1 set, 2 set. How many items? 2. Count them all together now with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. How many sets? 2. How many items? 3. 2 sets, 3 items. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. आपके सेट 2 ही रहेंगे क्योंकि 2 का टेबल कर रहे हैं. जब आपके सेट 3 के हो जाएंगे ना, ये साइड सेट शो करती है और ये साइड ये शो करती है कि कितने आइटम्स हैं. सेट कितने में देखिए 2 सेट ही जा रहे हैं, आइटम ज्यादा होते जा रहे हैं. ओके, और राइट नाउ हाउ मेनी सेट? 2 सेट. कितने आइटम्स हो गए? 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. टोटल काउंट 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. What is your answer? 8. Okay, now let's do this one now. Okay, कितने सेट होने चाहिए? How many sets? 2 sets. And how many items? 5. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. All right. Now let's count them all together. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. You see, that is why we left 2 blocks, because if we have bigger answer, we still have 1 block left in our worksheet. And now you have to do the reinforcement you have to do the reinforcement. Okay, now let's do it again. Okay, 2 sets and how many items? 1 item. Alright, 2 sets, 1 item. 1 set, 2 set. Let's make the set. Okay, no, we'll do it together. Okay, that will be confusing for you. Okay, now what was the answer? 2. 2 set, how many items? 2. दो ही सेट है और दो ही चीजें डालनी है आपने. ठीक है, 1 2, एक सेट हो गया. 1 2, done with 2 sets. How many altogether? 1 2 3 4. Okay, how many sets? 2 sets. कितने आइटम? 3. 1 2 3 4 5 6. मैंने पहले ही काउंट कर लिया. ओके, 6 items. All right. How many sets? 2. How many items? 4. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 4 4 बना दिए. ठीक है, 8. I'm writing the answer because it's reinforcement. All right. Let's do it again. 5 things in 2 items. 2 sets. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Total count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Your answer is 10. There, we are done with our concept. We are done with our 2 times table till 5. We have only did 5. I hope this concept was easy for you. ठीक है, it's very simple. These numbers over here show the set, and these over here show the number of items we have. And over here is our example. You know, the quantity we will add together, and that is how it is done. And on your next page, do write the date. Please, I am telling you again and again to do write the date first and then start your work. Okay, I hope this video was informative for you. Thank you.